What's up, guys? This is Chandler with Backwoods Grill. Today we're going to be cooking up a bomb jalapeno popper burger. So smash that like and subscribe button, drink a beer, and let's get going. Alright, we're going to start with our buns. Get some butter on these things, and then go ahead and slap them on the grill. Alright, now we're going to do our patties. Give your patties enough space that they don't touch when you smash them. Alright guys, while those are cooking, you know we love to make some burgers on here. On this channel. So if you guys have any ideas on what other burgers to make, let me know. Leave a comment. Check our buns here. Those are good. Get ready to flip right here. Slap the cheese on them. Alright, let that cheese melt. Alright guys, so in a previous video we made some dried jalapeños. We're going to use those to top the burger with. Throw as many of these on there as you can. Then we're going to take just some cream cheese spread and top the bun with it. This one we're going with the jalapeno cream cheese spread. You can use really any you'd like. Alright, there it is, the jalapeno popper burger. Alright guys, so for this burger, I'm going to pair it with a nice juicy IPA. Alright, so go ahead and dig in. Damn, that's good. So mustard with the jalapenos, it's so good. Remember, smash that like, subscribe button. Let me know how I'm doing, I really appreciate it.